Hey guys, welcome back to some more Dog and Bird gaming. But unfortunately, Birdie is not here today because she's making a YouTube video. But today we're going to be playing Get a Snack at 4 a.m. A game I've been playing a lot, but only one ending has been lost. Like, only one. I have not gotten this ending, but I don't know what it is. I don't know this ending. I have not seen any tutorials on how to get it because I don't know exactly the ending. Look at it. It literally says this orange juice and toothpaste. These are all the endings I've gotten. Chips, sleep, toothpaste, shoplifting, don't do it in real life, fire, freezer, breakfast, and annoying orange. You picked up the... Alright, got the Bobucks. Alright, get the microphone going. This is a carpet. Memes that make me spit my feet out. I'm not picking you up, annoying orange. That is actually kind of scary, but I'm just gonna ignore it. Hey, there's me. Oh wait, he updated it that so I don't have the glasses anymore.
Yummy.
Yum. Yum chips. Orb. Orb of dominance. Okay, don't care. Sorry if I'm coughing. Why would you even do that? Like, there's not even that much money in this game. Like, $1 million for a freaking orb? Orb of dominance. Question mark. Oh. Dang it. trying to get a thumbnail of the video. I did not click that door. House. What is this? Why is this candle even here? Alright, that's enough money to buy the egg. Oh no, the moon's going down. That's a problem. It's EGG. Got egg. Singular egg. Get the freak out of here. I know. Getting myself comfortable. Give me that. Kill, 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 kill. Dude, dude. Insert dramatic music. I'm not gonna look out that window. I'm making a YouTube video.
You have 5 minutes, and then we gotta take a shower.
Dang it. Alright. Well, I can't find out how to do any of these endings, so see you later, hot potato.